Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are making some clear slime. We found the recipe. We have this 5-liter glue. We're going to pour a little bit of activator in it and start stirring it up. Put some more in. Do you just see this, guys? It's just so satisfying. Oh, it's sticking to the spring. I need. I'm gonna use 2 springs. This is going to be good slime. Yeah. Okay. Time to get my hands in with the glue, with the slime that I'm making. Get in there. Get in there. Get in there with your friends. So, get it all from the corners. Oh, it just, I think some regular glue just came and got me. Yep. That was really fun. Oh yeah. Once this is done, this is gonna be so fun to play with. That's just the best. After this, I might need to wash my hands. I don't know why we only put a little bit of glue in here, but then it spreaded. But now, how is it this big? If you didn't see that, that was just the best. It's sticking to my hands. We need to keep on squishing it up so it doesn't stick to our hands. This must be what why when I squish it around, it just molds back together. So before it was a huge line, but now squished it together. And yeah. Oh, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. Okay, so I just really love doing this. So guys, this is the slime after, we just finished hand mixing it, and this is what it looks like. So we've made clear slime, but it may not look like clear slime to you. You may just think, oh, you ruined it, you put PVA glue in it. But no, we didn't put PVA glue, we put clear glue. So you know how it's all white? That's because it needs to settle for a week, and then it's going to be ready. So guys, it's been a week since we've made the clear slime, so here's what it looks like. Look guys, here it is, the clear slime complete. So, I know I did this when it was white, but it's been a week and now it's way more playful. Oh, stretching. Did you hear that, guys? So, stop. Get off me, you piece of slime. Oh, landed on the table. So yeah, this is so stretchy. You hear that, guys? That's just so cool. And look, you can see my face through it. Wait, no. Let me get it fully over my face. Look, can you see my face through it? And if you can see my face through it, comment down below, because that was insane. Okay, that was just a fun moment of my life. Whoa. Now, whoa, down on them. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. If you can't see that, that went out of the camera. But don't worry, it's so sticky it can stick together even if it breaks. So if I break a bit off, then I'm like, oh no, it can't go back on. Then just squish it back and problem solved. I'm probably going to be playing with this for hours. So, we're going to cut the slime into little bits. I know this is a soap cutter. Guys, don't worry about what I'm doing. I'm just flattening the slime so I can, cut it. I know this also looks like a pizza cutter. So we're going to cut it up, put it in these sort of jars, then customize it in the next video because we ordered a bunch of biodegradable glitter and some colouring. So yeah, there's also gold, one of my favourite colours. So we cut this bit out. I didn't mean cut this bit out of the video, I meant cut this bit of slime out. So we're going to put it in this container. Did you hear that satisfying sound when I opened it? It was pretty satisfying. We're going. Get in there, you big flabby outer shaped slime. That sounded like it. Oh. So now it's time to put the lid on. I better flatten it. Okay, we won't cut that farting bit out of the video because that is just funny. Oh. So, it's in the jar. Might sell some of this. Here's the clear slime in the jar, ready to customize. So, success.